Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this Futuremate Openear headset. Basically this headset, you don't have to plug anything into your ears. It's meant to be comfortable. Obviously it's got the Openear comfort, it's got the dual mics, ENC calling system, it's Bluetooth and connect via wireless. The range is around 10 meters. I always carry my phone anyway with me. It's IPX5 waterproofed, so it's ideal when I go for my run and it's raining. And it should last for about 8 hours. So let's see what's in the box here. Okay, so it's got a little pouch. Okay, so I'm assuming, here's the instructions, and it looks like there's a USB-C cable. So these are the instructions and the manual. I might just record these in case I do lose the manual, so it's a good idea to have this available. Has the instructions on how to use it, how to pair it, how to charge it, and how to wear it as well. Okay, just a blank page. Okay, so this is the, looks like USB-C port. Oh no, this is the charging cable. Okay, so you can see here it's got these connectors, 2 prongs, it's magnetic, and then just your normal USB. So this is the high future Openear headset. It's very light, as you can see. You just put it over your ears. It's got those speakers on both sides. Very nice. Flexible. It's got the buttons here. So this is the button to turn it on, so you just hold on to it for a while and then you see the light flash. And now it's in pairing mode. If you see a flash blue and red, it's in pairing mode. So this is the side where you actually charge the headset, and that's this. As you can see, the speakers there on the edge. Now don't get confused with bone conducting. This is not bone conducting. This just sits over your ears and you can hear the audio coming from the speakers. Okay, so let me try it. Just testing these Futuremate over the ear sports headsets. As you can see, just goes over the ear. You don't push anything inside your ear. It's nice and comfortable. Quality is pretty good. Haven't really tried listening to music, so I can't really compare whether the bass is good or not. But so far for the listening to podcasts, it's quite good. Not sure about the microphone. Hopefully the microphone I can test using this recording. I actually like it because there's physical buttons on the side here where you can press to increase the volume, decrease the volume, play and stop. So I prefer that as well. So far so good. Okay, so there you go. So to charge it, you just put it on the side. It's magnetic, so it clips in, and when it's fully charged, it's a blue light.